All right, we're back at it like crack addicts. Currently struggling on lifting the car after we after we slammed it, but we're gonna put in engine mounts, solid engine mounts, and solid trans mounts, a Vanos cooler line that's been leaking, and a short shifter in the boot. So yeah, stay tuned. So we got that bolt off on the top side. So now we're gonna do one by one. So we're about to get that this side done. As you can see, roll down there. And
yo, this floor is mad cold.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. This oil cooler line right here, and it goes from there, and you can see down here. Where it's leaking. All down there and down inside the engine. But yeah, so we'll do the you got anything to say? Nothing? It was a bitch to lift that shit.
Bro, it took probably like 30 minutes.
Alright, so we broke that bolt loose from the top and the bottom. And then these 17s.
Was it 17 at the bottom too?
Yeah, 17 at the bottom. So we jacked up the engine a little bit, and we decided to do both sides at once. And that way, once we get it out, it'll be a lot easier to take out both and then put in the two new ones. Yeah, I'm going with polyurethane because I didn't want to go full solid mount. Because if you go full solid, it's basically like a race drift only. You're going to feel like everything. It's going to be very solid. And the whole reason we're doing this is for the solid mounted shifter that we're going to be installing later. But yeah. Oh, two-hand twist going crazy. It's about hotter than Doe's ass crack today. It's a nice 99 and humid as Florida. If y'all wondering why Raul is shirtless.
Yup.
Might be for his own pleasure, I don't know. So these are the old ones we're replacing. They're kind of shot. And these are the new ones. This side's in already. Just needs to be tightened down. I put in the passenger side. That one's gonna be a little trickier, but we're about to break it loose on the bottom. And yeah, it should be.
Alright. Alright, dude. What's it called? I'll let you know if I can.
So, come to find out, since I started the car to get it on the little bricks, we cannot install the Vanos line. So we're gonna have to do it another day, I guess. Drain the oil and do that. But yeah. So we just mounted both of the front solid mount shifted bushings. And now we are going to do the shifter and the solid mount. So we're going to do the shifter first and then do the solid mount since there's only 2 of them in the back. But yeah.
All right.
So we got it out. Well, Raul did. I was trying at it for a while, couldn't get it out. But how did it go?
5 minutes, you feel me? It's like, nah, so look, it's like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So my issue was I was trying to just pull this, like flip it, right? But instead I lifted it up and then I pushed it forward.
Oh, and it came out like that?
It literally just popped right out and it slid itself out.
Tough.
All right.
Tough. So we had to drill it out a tiny bit to equal the old one because it didn't line up correctly as it should now. And we're going to test fit it again and see if it works. All right, sorry I'm looking like a glazed donut, but I didn't really record after. We got the shifter in. It was kind of annoying. We took a break. We ate some pupusas, and we finished up for the day. I drove around the block. This is the first time I drive around my neighborhood. We still got a couple issues I gotta fix. We weren't able to do the Vanos oil line today, so we're gonna have to do it another day, and I'm gonna do an oil change with that. It's just trying to do the maintenance before I do anything really drastic. I'm rubbing bad, so I need new tires, or I need to raise it, but I'll probably get new tires because I might raise no bitch. But yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in today. Hope you guys have a great day, and bye.